Introducing the TriStar Connect, a hybrid 10,000 lumen tower light built with total flexibility. Portable and site-ready, it sets up rapidly and is easy to transport wherever the job takes you. Engineered for tough environments, its rugged, collapsible tower design stands strong. From a compact 1.1 meters folded, it extends to a full 2.3 meters for maximum reach. Power options are yours. Run it on mains or 18-volt tool batteries from Makita, DeWalt, Milwaukee, or Bosch. The protective IP54 battery housing shields against dust and environmental hazards. And it's more than just a light. With integrated USB power output, the TriStar Connect doubles as a charger, keeping your devices powered on site.
110 to 230 volt AC operation makes it ideal for both interior and exterior work.
A simple control panel with battery status indicators keeps operation effortless. Temperature-controlled LEDs offer 5 selectable light modes, delivering up to 10,000 lumens of bright output with turbo, high, medium, low, and eco dimmable settings. Multi-angle swivel and tilt heads give you 360-degree coverage or focus direction exactly where you need it. TriStar Connect. Portable, powerful, and adaptable. Light up your work anywhere.